Hello my friends, this video is finally about our assignment for mentorship, and in this video I will explain how we will do assignments and tasks for Python within our mentorship program. And as I said, it is first assignment, but it is I will already give solution for this assignment. So you can copy paste and play with it, or you can just do it by yourself and then compare the solution. And the reason why I am already giving solution for our first assignment is so doing mentorship and teaching online is already quite a complex stuff. It's complicated because we have people with different background and with different language level, because some of you, they already knew how to put some code on Python, and some of you, they absolutely new, they don't know anything about Python and Python syntax and how to run Python application. And that's why I will keep our first assignment as simple as possible, and will provide solution with assignment. So you can, as I said, you can just check solution and provide your code, or you can just copy paste. So shortly, our first assignment will be calculator app for in Python. It will be command line application. I will in our Python basics video we already discussed this application. I want to reuse this application because if you don't understand it, you can just go to another video and check how you can repeat everything. But in this video I want shortly show how you can use this application. So first of all, you need to download our Python mentorship repository. It is here. You can check our previous videos for how you can start and everything like this. But in this video, let's just focus on our application. So first of all, you need to have this repository, and then using terminal application, you can move to our calculator folder, and then just type Python and calculator CLI. This version is for command line. We will have one more with web interface using Flask. For now, let's check just this one. We have 4 operations. We can first enter operation, enter values, and we will get result. You can see it's very simple. I will show you source code for this assignment. Just like this. It is 27 lines of code, and we start with defining a function. We do our print. We have our operation, so you need to enter your operation. It can be add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You get x and y, and then based on your operation, you add them. You make actual operation, and then exit. So that's basically our first assignment. Download it, play with it, try to run it on your local machine and see what happens, how you can fix it, or play with it a little bit. I can give sub assignment, so you can just copy it and make it run. For example, if I run it with my command line, I will enter operations, and as you can see, after the operation it exits. So make it run in loop. So once you have your operation, you get your result. Add one more operation, which will be exit. And if I want to exit from program, I type, for example, if it's operation number 5, you type 5 and program exits. That should be very basic. It is few additional lines, but first of all, try to understand how it works. If you don't have any Python background, you just need to play with this application. As I said, I will put link to source for this application, because I have another video where I explain how this application works and etc. And for mentorship program, just try to understand, make sure that you have our repository locally and you can do assignments. Right now I don't have this in my in our repository. I will just commit and push. So now I have these 2 files in my repository, and I will add message structure for first assignment. And let's push it. First I need to configure my user name, and mail. And let's push it to our GitHub. Git push origin master. If you don't know about how Git works, check my YouTube channel. I have few videos where I explain commands for GitHub. And for now, we have this repository on our GitHub repository publicly available, so you can check it. It is in source folder and calculator subfolder, and then you have these 2 files. What you need is the first file. That's our first assignment. You can go forward and add calculator.-web for web. It needs to be Flask application. You get inputs from website, web page, and then do the same operations. But if you just start with this one, because in next video I will give additional explanation for this calculator application. And for CLI version, just try to add 1 more operation with exit and run all these operations in endless loop. So you ask for operation, you do operation, and then if user enters 5 as an exit operation, you stop execution of the application. So try to make it like this. And I also will add some text version of assignment and solution in this README file, so you can read it. I think that's it for our first assignment. At the end, I want to share that when you do assignment, send it to our community channel. I will check how you did it. And also you can send it through issues. So make sure that you have all this set up. You are in our community channel and you can send issues through GitHub. I will put links in description as well. That's it for our first assignment. Thank you for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and you have notifications enabled. And see you in next video. Bye bye.